Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to set up Shopify shipping zones. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So first of all, what we need to do is head over to settings from the bottom left side of our screen. Once we are there, you will be able to see that we have shipping and delivery options left side of our screen. Click on that and here we can add different profiles. If you scroll a little bit down, you will be able to see that we have different regions, whether it is domestic or international. And if you want to add your zones, you have various options for that as well. You can see the Shopify delivery partners, and each and every settings is going to be available in here. So let's just say you want to add a zone, right? You can add delivery customization, and for that you can use the Shopify specific app, or if you do not want to do that, you can set up your local delivery. You can customize that and totally change whatever you would like to do. Now there are various tabs for this purpose as well. If you want to add a new profile and customize the zone, so you can see you can add a shipping zone by using this plus icon. Search in here for, like, for example, Malaysia, click on done, and it is added. So that's how easily you can add shipping zones to Shopify. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.